Right, so welcome to the first video for our UP online martial arts courses. Today we're going to look at Kicho 2, Kicho E Jang, which is the second basics form in our Taekwondo program. It's just like Kicho E Jang, Kicho number 1, except instead of low block and middle punch, we're going to be doing high block and a high punch. So like before, we'll start off Junbi, getting into our ready stance. From here, the teacher will call out Kicho E Jang. Everyone responds, Kicho E Jang. Just like before, we're going to start with a turn to the left, my quarter turn. So I look left, point chamber for high block, so palm up under the armpit. Stepping into front stance, high block, point, step forward, high punch, up at the face level. Look over my right shoulder for long turn, high block, point, high punch. Looking to my left for a quarter turn, I chamber, point, high block, point, high punch, high punch, high punch, Kia. 3/4 turn, I look to my right, chamber the left hand, step, big high block, point, high punch. Look to my right, high block with my long turn, high punch. Quarter turn, so I look to my left, point chamber, left hand is chambered here. High block, high punch, high punch, high punch, Kia. 3/4 turn, left foot steps around, left hand is chambered for my block, point, high punch. And last one, look to my right, long turn, point and chamber, high block, point, high punch. At the end here, just like before, check everything, make sure it's all right. So feet facing forward, hips, shoulders square to the side wall, back upright, 80% of the weight on the front leg. My high punch right about at that mouth level. And then the teacher will call Goman. I look, come back to Junbi, and then here you wait until choke, which is your release. Shake it out, everything's good. So Kicho E Jang, Kicho number 2, same idea, just different techniques. Instead of low block, middle punch, we're looking at a different defense, high block, and a different offensive counterattack, high punch. So again, this time with that sort of sentence-based timing, instead of one piece at a time, we're looking at this entire phrase. I look to this side, block and punch. I do my long turn, block and punch. I do my quarter turn, block, punch, punch, punch. Same thing at the top and at the bottom. So a little bit different timing on this one. Same thing, beat. Kicho E Jang. High block, high punch. Long turn, high block, high punch. Quarter turn, high block, high punch, high punch, high punch, Kia. 3/4 turn. I look to my right first, block, punch. I look to my right, long turn, block, punch. Look to my left, quarter turn, block, punch, punch, punch. Look to my right, 3/4 turn. Last one. Look to my right, long turn. Big deep breath. And come on. And choke. All right, so Kicho E Jang, Kicho number 2, done at a little bit better pace for the full speed version. Again, I don't really care about how fast you go as much as keeping the pace consistent throughout. Really moving into your defenses and offenses, taking pauses at the turns, but then completing the whole thing sort of as one big set. So we'll do it once facing forward, and then one more time facing the side. So, Kicho E Jang, Kicho form number 2. Shish. And then facing the side. To number 2, Kicho E Jang.